What's up guys, this is iDeviceLab009 and in this video we are going to see how usable is iOS 6.1.6 on this iPod Touch 3rd generation. So if you remember from my previous videos, I upgraded it to 6.0, then I explored it, then I upgraded it to 6.1.3 and I explored it, and now it's time for 6.1.6. So let's get started. Let's go into the settings first. As you can see, we are in 6.1.6 and let's try to sign in with our own iCloud account. So if I go to iCloud, let me put in my credentials real quick. Let's sign in and it doesn't work. We have messages and you need to sign in with your own iCloud account. We have mail, we have iCloud, Exchange, Gmail, Yahoo, AOL, Hotmail and other. We have Safari and let's try to go to apple.com. Yeah, I don't think it can go to apple.com. I will leave music to the final. We have newsstand, we have the iTunes store, but it's not going to work. We have notes and let's type a note. It's pretty responsive, I would say. We have reminders. You can add a reminder. We have clock. Let's go to timer and let's set it to 1 minute. Start. We have Game Center. You need to sign in with your own Apple ID. We have stocks. It shows you information about the stocks. We have maps, but I don't think it's going to work. Nope, it doesn't work. We have the weather, which shows you the weather. We have Facebook. We have contacts, you need to sync them with iTunes or add them manually. We have calendar, which is basically just calendar, nothing special here. We have photos, you need to sync them with iTunes, same thing as videos. We have utilities and let's go to calculator and let's do 447 times 4222 and it equals this. We have voice memos, but I don't think it's going to work as I need a microphone. There we go. I don't think you can plug a microphone into this other than the auxiliary jack. We also have Cydia. As you can see, Cydia works. And now the moment that we've all been waiting for, let's see if we can sync music onto this iPod Touch. So here I have my 2019 16-inch MacBook Pro and there we go. Let's go to Finder and let's go to the iPod Touch. Let's go to music, let's go to genres and let's sync some genres and let's click apply. Hopefully it's going to start syncing. It apparently is syncing. Looks like it finished. Let's check. If I go to settings, general, about, there we go. It synced our songs and let's verify. If I go to songs, there we go. It's all here. Hopefully I won't get copyrighted.
Copyright everything.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Shh. That's enough. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one.